Hi Daniela, I'm in the garden doing a harvest and I have a bunch of Poblano peppers, but I have a question for you. Let me show them to you. So a lot of them, because I didn't pick them in time, are red. I still have a lot of green ones too. What would you do with these poblanos?
What a beautiful harvest of chile poblano. Those green chilies are amazing for chile rellenos. However, I'm going to share a little family recipe that we love to eat. So you take the chilies, the green chilies, and you roast them and then put them in a bag, let them sweat, peel them, core them, and take the stems out, and then cut them into little strips. Then prepare a cream-based sauce where you saute some onions, some garlic, add a little bit of cream and some salt and pepper, and then add those roasted poblanos that you've cut into strips to that sauce. It makes a great side, and I even love to eat it on its own.
Thanks for the ideas for the green poblanos, but what about the red ones?
So the red chilies, when you dry them up, they are called chile anchos. And chile ancho is the base for a lot of red sauces in Mexican cuisine. So what you would do is just dehydrate them until they're completely dry. And then once you're ready to use them, rehydrate them in some hot water, remove the stems and the seeds, and put them in the blender with a roasted tomato, some onions, some garlic, salt, pepper, and oregano. And that is a beautiful base for a sauce that you can add to any protein or vegetable of your choice.
Thank you for the recipe inspiration. I'm going to choose one of those or modify one of those, and I'll report back to you.
Again, congratulations on such a gorgeous harvest of chiles poblanos. I can't wait to see the magic that you create in your kitchen with them.